So you have to go through that, and I will give a brief, I have taken some information from that and put it into these slides so that you will get a good understanding about that as well. Yeah. So again, like RICS, you remember RICS having associate as well as chartered membership. Now AIQS is having affiliate membership and corporate membership, same categories. So affiliate member means, again, you won't have a APC interview. You submit your documents through the email. AIQS will assess that and will give you the membership. So for affiliate membership pathway 1, so graduate who have approved academic qualifications. Sorry. Again, AIQS also have accredited list of degrees qualifications. So if you have one of them, and if you can get a nomination from one of the members, fellow or good standing member, associate member of AIQS, and you are engaged in a quantity survey, and if you can give CPD hours per annum 15 hours, you remember RICS was having 48 hours, here it is 15, then you can go for pathway 1. You just have to submit your application to the AIQS. AIQS will give you the affiliate membership. Pathway 2 is that you are having a graduate, you are a graduate, but you don't have a approved academic qualification. That means your degree is not accredited by AIQS. But still, if you have minimum 1 year supervision, minimum 1 year experience under approved supervision. Now we will discuss this approved supervision. What do you mean by that? Approved supervision means that supervisor should be either a MA-AIQS professional, or there are another lot of institutes that recognized by AIQS, like RICS, Institute of Malaysia, Institute of Sri Lanka, Institute of South Africa, New Zealand, Pacific, Institute of Philippines. Yeah. So those kind of institutes are being accredited by AIQS. So if you are having a supervisor who have that kind of a qualification, then that is considered as approved supervision. So then if you have minimum 1 year of approved supervision and you don't have a accredited degree, still you can go for pathway 2 of the affiliate membership. Yeah. So what is the difference between affiliate and the full member? The full member can go for votes and have positions on the chapter councils, position on the board, AIQS board, and can nominate applicants like he was nominated here, and he can use he cannot use the member logo. Affiliate members cannot use the member logo, and he cannot use the designation of certified quantity surveyor. Okay, right. So now we'll come to the corporate member or member grade. There are 3 pathways mainly. So the pathway 1 has recently been changed now. So the pathway 1 is you have an accredited degree, and you should be nominated by 1 member, and you should have 2 years of under supervision training. Again, like structured training in RICS, like graduate route 1. But if you don't have an approved supervisor, I mean the supervisor that you are having doesn't have any professional qualification, then you should have 3 years of experience. Okay, and then 15 hours of CPD per hour per annum should be there. And then recently, I think within last year, they added this one. If you have less than 5 years of experience, then you have to complete another course called Academy Topics, which is included in the AIQS Academy. Now AIQS Academy is kind of like an online training portal which you can pay and get courses. So they have this 15 academy topics as a bundle for the pathway 1 candidate. So if you want to check it, go to the AIQS website and then check pathway 1, and there's a link for that. And when you go to the link, it will automatically goes to the AIQS Academy to the bundle. And this bundle is costing you around probably $1,000. And if you want to go for pathway 1, you have to do that as well now as a new requirement within the last year. So pathway 2 means your degree is non-accredited. It's not accredited by RICS. Then you have to do an upskilling course from the AIQS, again through the academy, AIQS Academy. Now this upskilling course, it's like 100 CPD hours, and it covers basically all the competencies of the AIQS, and it is costing you around probably $6,000. And then again, nomination should be there, and supervision is like that. Okay, again you have to go for the APC interview, And pathway 3 is you are in a kind of a leadership position where you have number of subordinates reporting to you, and you have to have show at least 8 years of supervision, under supervision, approach supervision. Then nomination should be by 5 members. Then you can go for the APC interview. Okay, and then from these 3 pathways you can go for the interview and get corporate membership. So what are the rights and obligations? So you will have nomination rights, which you can nominate affiliate and member rate, and you can attend to any AIQS public meetings. You can hold any positions in the committees or any office in the AIQS. You can use MAIQS, and you can use logo, AIQS logo in your day-to-day correspondence. And you can go to the certified quantity survey level as well. That is the next level. I'll not go to that now, but if you get the membership, corporate membership, you can always go for the CQS as well.